Here are your tricep dips. You are going to need a bench or a chair for this. And again, we're working the tricep, the back of the arm. It's the part when you wave, it waves back at you. So let's make sure we work these bad boys really well. Your hands, your palms are gonna be on the bench, fingers facing forward. You're going to scoot your tushy off the bench and you're going to lower down and then exhale as you press up. This is more at the beginner level because it's not as difficult. Now, if you need to increase the intensity, make them a little bit harder, you're going to extend your legs. So you can just extend them, make them straighter and straighter. You can also get another bench, put your feet up on the bench to make it even harder, or you can challenge yourself a little bit more and add a weight to your lap. Maybe. So you inhale and then exhale as you press up. Inhale, exhale. There you go. These are your tricep dips.